Hello. So I wanted to come on here and talk about something that I was talking to my assistant Brenda about this. And whether you're a new wig wearer or not, I think there's a few types of wigs that everybody needs to have, no matter how long you've been wearing wigs or sort of why you're wearing wigs. And so we sort of talked about 5 different types of wigs that everybody should have. And that's what we're going to do today. So if you would like to know what should be in your wig closet, then this is a video for you. Hi, I'm Tia. I'm a wig coach and a wig educator here on YouTube. I'm also owner of the online retail wig shop, Tia Maria Wigs. And you can check the description box down below for all of the details about everything down below. But today we're going to talk about the 5 types of wigs that every wig wearer should have in their wig closet and why. And these are in no particular order, but we're just going to go through them and I'm going to tell you why I think you need them. The first one is a half wig or a headband wig. And I think that everybody needs to have a half wig or a headband wig, because if you're just like quickly going, running to the store or what have you, or if maybe you're doing something outside, you're going to your kids, soccer game or what have you, or you're going to be going for a walk, I think having a half wig, wearing it with a headband, or having a headband wig is really helpful. And the reason in general that I think that you need multiple types of wigs is because we're talking synthetic, because I deal mostly synthetic. It's because, synthetic wigs can wear down, and how often you wear them, how you maintain them, all of those different things do factor in. But the other issue with it is the fact that there's certain activities that are going to wear down your synthetic wig a little bit faster. So if you're doing things like outdoors, you're sweating, maybe things are tangling more. If you have certain wigs for certain activities or scenarios, then it's going to make your other wigs last much longer. So I feel like with a half wig and a headband wig, the one benefit is that it's quick, it's easy to put on, it looks cute, you don't have to worry about lace or anything in your face, you don't have to worry about any of that, because you either have the headband connected to the wig or you have the headband over top, sort of the hairline of the wig. And so that's definitely the first type of wig I think everybody should have in their wig closet. The second type of wig is the sort of hat wig or halo wig. And a hat wig is a wig that is a hat and the hair is attached to that. Now, I sell the Vivica Fox cap doos on my live sales, or you can message me if you want to purchase them. They're fairly inexpensive, but I know other companies do have sort of hat with hair. And the nice thing that is about these hat wigs is there's not extra. It's not like putting on a wig and then putting a hat over top of it, which you're gonna have that extra bulk. The hat wigs, the hair is literally attached to the hat. So all you're putting on your head is a hat, and then the hair comes down. And this is for like if you're running quick to the store, going to the gym, those are perfect for that type of scenario. Usually hat wigs, the synthetic quality is a little less than your daily wear wig, but that's fine because you're just using it to like sort of run errands. And then again, it's going to give your daily wear or your special occasion wigs, it's going to help them last longer, because you're not just throwing them on quick just to like run and get gas, or getting creamer in the morning or what have you. A halo wig is made so that it can be put on and worn with any type of hat. So it's meant to be worn with a hat or a turban or whatever you want to do. But the nice thing about that is that you can switch out. So like the cap doos by Vivica Fox, they come already attached to a cap, which is fine if you like the cap. The 3 caps is like a green army cap. You can get them with the black, just a black ball cap, and then you can get one with a jean ball cap. So it goes with most things, but if you wanted to wear it with a turban or a different type of hat or like a winter hat, then the halo wig might be a great one to have, so that you have the ability to do that. There's a bunch of different companies that have halo wigs: Rene of Paris, Henry Margaux, I'm pretty sure Jean Renault. So you can find those. I sell those on my website too. You can message me if you're interested in a halo wig and the pricing and all of that sort of thing. But that's definitely something I feel like you want to have. Also with the hat wigs and the halo wigs, it's not going to be be as hot too, because wearing a hat with a full wig is really keeping in all of that heat that comes out of your head, which is good, but it can cause a little bit of overheating. So especially if it's in your warmer months, or if you're going to be doing something more active, the hat wig and the halo wigs are the better way to go in that scenario. So next up is your daily wear wig, and this is really exciting to talk about, because the daily wear wig is the way that you're going to wear on the daily, on a regular. Maybe it's the wig you wear to work, and it doesn't have to be just one, but I'm just saying in general, it's going to be one that either has a beautiful sort of lace front hairline, or if you're someone who prefers a full cap wig. But it's going to be that wig that you know when you put it on, you're going to feel good. There's not a lot of fuss and muss to get it to look nice. You want it to be sort of a nicer, higher quality, because you're going to be wearing it daily and you don't want to wear it out. So for me, I'm actually wearing one of my daily wear picks. So this is a pick that if I'm going to be going out to work, or if I have something that I need to do, this wig, I know I can put it on and it looks great. And this is Tressalor's Picture Perfect. It's got a beautiful hairline. I can clip back the front. It takes me just a minute to put it on. So this is definitely my daily wear choice. Another one of my daily wear go-tos is Estetica's Ocean. These are just wigs that I know no matter what scenario, they're going to look good. They're easy to put on. They're quick. They're fun. All of those type of things. So that's my daily wear wig. If you're someone who prefers a full cap, that's fine. But choose one that might have, you know, maybe just a higher quality cap, higher quality fibers, because this is the one that you're going to wear on a daily. And this is the wig you're going to really, really want to pay attention to in terms of your maintenance in between wears, putting it on a wig stand, making sure it's detangled so that you can increase the longevity. The next wig that I think everybody should have in their wig closet is a special occasion wig. And so special occasion wigs are going to be, you know, these wigs that maybe you can do in an updo. There are certain wig styles that I think are super pretty when they're up. So maybe they have more hair, like longer at the bottom, but easily to pin up or what have you. And the nice thing about having a special occasion wig is you can go ahead and either style it on yourself or style it on the wig head, and then you can keep it on the wig head. So when you're having your special occasions, you're not having to like mess with it. You know, when we're doing special occasions, the last thing that we want to do if we have bio hair is like you have to do your hair and things like that. It can make special occasion days go so faster. Get a wig that you love in an updo or braided or what have you. Do it ahead of time. Keep it on the wig head. And then when it's that special occasion day, you just get dressed, you slip it on, and it just can not only make everything go smoothly and fast. You know, you're not using your daily wear wig to have to like put up and do this and do that. And you can define special occasions any way you want. It doesn't have to be like a wedding or anything, but like my son's going to be graduating or what have you. Having a wig that you know you can put on for those like special days and just making everything a lot easier and faster, and you're looking cute. I did a bunch of videos on my channel using particular wigs in that way. They're discontinued now, but Paula Young had a bunch of braided wigs. And so I use those as my special occasion wigs because they're gorgeous. They're sort of pre-braided. So like this part would be braided, so then you can clip this up. Another special occasion wig that I've used a lot is Estetica's Orchid, because of the way that it goes in the front is when you either braid or clip up the back or do whatever you want to do, it just looks so beautiful. And I have a couple tutorials on that particular wig as well. So that is one that you definitely want to have. And last but not least, I think everybody should have in their wig closet is their dream hair. The hair that they've wanted, that they love, the one in the gorgeous color, really high quality, the one that you wear, you know, when you just want to feel awesome. Maybe you're getting an award at work, or maybe it's like girls' night out, whatever. It's the one that when you put it on, you feel amazing. Okay, so that is the list of the types of wigs that you should have in your wig closet that Brenda and I came up with. Now it's time for you to share your thoughts. If you agree, if there's one you think that we missed, go ahead and put it down below, and why you think that the regular wig wearer should have that. Also, if you have any of your daily wear, your special occasion, or your dream hair wigs, share those down below. I'd love to hear what they are. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.